Yeah. I am bored of it, but I mean, it's still a good plane. It's just, Number one, I'm the only one with it. So it's always harder when there's just one. No. Everybody was waiting to see somebody with it. I was the first one to get it. So.
While you're trying that, I know you're doing your own show. I'm going to come mess with you.
That's fine, come on. I'm probably going to fly kind of hard and then I'll land at 3 minutes. Ugh.
China cleared.
I don't need to buy anything.
Yeah, and that's the thing with me. I'm thinking about getting rid of stuff.
Yeah.
All right, going up.
Gear up.
Let's trip out the people on the road. Oh, stall. That wasn't good. I hate it when it does that. It starts pulling up the nose and I can't put it back down. And I can't hardly see what it's doing, so it makes it even worse.
It looks great. I really like the blinking on the bottom.
Yeah.
That shit.
It's kind of hard to see, shit. The fog's making it weird. Blinking does make it easier to see, though.
Yeah, and you know it's bottom.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I need some wing lights on this fucking thing.
It helps a lot. But there's something about the light right now, it's making it hard to see. The green is like blinding me. Yeah, it's harder to see here.
At this time,
Just at this field. Because at Livermore, I can see it just fine.
that's weird.
I can't really tell what it's doing here.
Time
Well, this ain't
remaining
good
1
for me
minute.
that it's got the wing lights.
I don't feel comfortable.
Yeah, and I don't even have wing lights on. I'm gonna learn.
Yeah, come in, dude. I can't see you at all. All I see is a flash every now and then.
Yeah, I'm gonna land.
Time remaining 46 seconds.
You okay?
I'm good. Go. I got plenty of time. Because I haven't been throttled.
I should have kept the airliner assembled and then went through that.
You could have seen that just fine.
I think fully would.
30 seconds. Flaps up.
My flaps were down?
Oh, what?
Yep.
Takeoff flaps.
Yep.
Flaps up.
Flaps were down. No wonder why it was weird.
10.
It pitched up on me.
That's why you were tripping.
Yeah.
Because it was trying to.
It pitched up on me and I'm like, what the hell was that?
4,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
There we go. Yeah, the flaps were down. I don't know how I bumped it. I never use flaps on this plane either.
Gear down.
Wind changed.
Oh, that's it.
It's blowing this way now. That's what's wrong.
1 minute over.
I'm like, why is it stalling? The wind changed. It's coming out of the south now.
I shifted it.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, this is not a good one for nighttime.